Thank you for following us and keeping up on the video that we're sharing with you today. Number 2 in our 3-part series on James Ferry using public transportation. We're thankful for him, and we are thankful that we get an opportunity to look inside some of the things that keeps James going each and every single day. This is the Community Spotlight. Why do you like the idea of microtransit so much?
Well, it's easier to get a ride. I mean, you can call up basically anytime between 8 and 5, Monday through Friday, and be like, hey, I'm at this location. Can you take me to B location? And they'll show up within a half hour, maybe an hour at the latest, and you're on your way.
What do you kind of like to do to unwind?
I like to, watch the Ducks play and listen to the radio and surf the internet on my laptop and play with Gunner.
How important has weightlifting been for you?
Tremendous. Without it, I don't think I'd be here today, to be honest. It not only did it kind of save my life, but without it, I'd have been too depressed. Like, I wouldn't want to do anything. It got me out of the house. It got me to go get up and actually go to the gym instead of just sitting at home.
Why was it important for you to do this? Why did you need to get out? And ultimately, would you encourage others to get out and to, if they have questions, to ask and to ask for help like you did with me? How important is that?
It's very important. My dad always had a saying, if there's no struggle, there's no reward. So you may struggle, but once you get to the finish line, you've conquered it.
Right.
And without actually being able to go anywhere, like myself at way back when, it was hard. I felt like I was a burden on people because, I'd have to ask them to take me places, and a lot of times they didn't want to. But once I learned how to ride the bus and the bus routes and where they go and where they stop, it gave me so much more independence that if anybody wants to learn to ride the bus who is either visually impaired, can't hear anything, even in wheelchairs, or walkers, call Jason here, and he'll help you.
Wow. That was a powerful story by James. We're thankful for him, and we're thankful for you watching this video. Remember, this is the Community Spotlight. Come back for our final part, our final segment with James Ferry.